Hello, welcome to the channel. If you are writing the WAEC GCE anytime soon, this video is for you. And if you know anyone who is writing this exam, please recommend this video to the person. What I have done before I come up with this video is very deep study and analysis of the WAEC GCE pattern and style of questions over the years. And in this video, I have come up with very likely and highly probable WAEC GCE English language questions that will benefit every candidate writing the examination. Let's begin. We begin with this instruction. In each of the following sentences, there is one underlined word and one gap. From the list of words lettered A to D, choose the one that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word and that will, at the same time, correctly fill the gap in the sentence. This first set of questions are based on antonyms. Let's check them out. Number 1. While the boys did their assignment reluctantly, the girl did theirs dash. Reluctantly is underlined. While the boys did their assignment reluctantly, the girls did theirs dash. A. Intelligently. B. Carefully. C. Wholeheartedly. D. Swiftly. Reluctantly that is underlined in this particular question means unwilling to do something or without enthusiasm. Intelligently in option A has to do with being clever. It has to do with intelligence. Carefully in option B means cautiously. Wholeheartedly in option C means with the whole of your heart or enthusiastically. Option D, swiftly, means quickly. From the explanation of each option, the one which is opposite in meaning to reluctantly is wholeheartedly in option C. Reluctantly means unwilling to do something or lacking interest, lacking enthusiasm, whereas wholeheartedly means doing something with your whole heart, with great interest and with great enthusiasm. While the boys did their assignment reluctantly, the girls did theirs wholeheartedly. I know we might be tempted to go for option D, swiftly, which means to do something quickly, almost in a rush. But that is not the correct antonym of reluctantly as used in this expression, although the meanings are very close, and that is why we call this one GCE, because it is a step harder than the normal WAEC SSCE. Before we go to the next question, I want to ask you, have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you haven't, please do it now. By subscribing to the channel, you are encouraging us to do more. And this is what we are here to do. Alright, thank you as you subscribe. Let's return to the class. Let's go to number 2. When the conditions are favorable, businesses thrive, but under dash conditions, they crumble. When the conditions are favorable, businesses thrive, but under dash conditions, they crumble. Favorable is underlined. A. Harmful. B. Adverse. C. Contrary. D. Unfortunate. Favorable, as used in this sense, means encouraging, helpful, or pleasing. Harmful in option A is used to describe anything that causes harm. Option B, adverse, means unpleasant, unfavorable, and not likely to produce good results. Option C, contrary, means opposite to something, while option D, unfortunate, means regrettable or having to do with misfortune. Option B, adverse, is the most appropriate antonym in this context. When the conditions are favorable, businesses thrive, but under adverse conditions, they crumble. Adverse means unpleasant and unfavorable, so it is the direct opposite of favorable. Number 3. You should support your leader, not dash him. You should support your leader, not dash him. Support is underlined. A. Refuse. B. Antagonize. C. Disgrace. D. Eliminate. Support means to back or encourage someone. Option A, refuse, means to decline a request. It is not even usable in the context of this question. Let's eliminate it. Option B, antagonize, means to work against or to oppose someone. Option C, disgrace, simply means to embarrass someone. Option D, eliminate, in this context, means to kill. The correct antonym for support is antagonize, which means to work against or to oppose someone. Oppose is a clear opposite of support. Option B, antagonize. You should support your leader, not antagonize him. Number 4. The priest said that the donations are dash and not compulsory. The priest said that the donations are dash and not compulsory. Compulsory is underlined. A, voluntary. B, necessary. C, expedient. D, deliberate. When something is compulsory, it means it is obligatory. It means that thing must be done, and if it is not done, there is an authority that will force you to do it or to make you face the consequence of not doing it. Option A, voluntary, means to be done at one's free will, not forced. Option B, necessary, means it is required and essential. Option C, expedient, is used to describe what must be done to achieve a purpose. Option D, deliberate, is used for something done on purpose or intentionally. The correct option here is voluntary. That is, something that is done at one's free will, not forced. The priest said that the donations are voluntary and not compulsory. Option A. Number 5. Despite the restive situation in their country, citizens remained dash. Despite the restive situation in their country, citizens remained dash. Restive is underlined. A, loyal. B, lax. C, obedient. D, calm. What does it mean to be restive? It means unable to stay still or unwilling to be controlled, being restless. Loyal in option A means to remain faithful and committed. Option B, lax, means being reckless or careless. Option C, obedient, means obeying and following rules, laws or instructions. Option D, calm, means not agitated. It means being peaceful. From the analysis of the options, option C is the correct option. Calm. Despite the restive situation in their country, citizens remained calm. Number 6. Baits are used to attract fish, not dash them. Baits are used to attract fish, not dash them. Attract is underlined. A, repulse. B, reject. C, restrict. D, resist. Attract means to draw something closer or to make something come towards you. Option A, repulse, means to drive something away or push that thing back. Option B, reject, means to refuse to accept something. Restrict in option C means to limit one's movement. Option D, resist, means to oppose something. From the meanings of the options, we see that option A, repulse, which means to drive something away from you or to push that thing back, is the direct opposite of attract. That means option A is the correct option. Baits are used to attract fish, not repulse them. Number 7. Although the aged principal is quick-witted, his young assistant is rather dash. Although the aged principal is quick-witted, his young assistant is rather dash. Quick-witted is underlined. A, dull. B, sluggish. C, rude. D, lousy. Quick-witted means being mentally sharp or able to think very fast. Option A, dull, means not sharp or slow in understanding. Option B, sluggish, means slow in movement or reaction, but it does not directly refer to being slow in intelligence. Sluggish means slow in movement, not actually in intelligence. Option C, rude, means impolite. Option D, lousy, means very bad or unpleasant. With all of this, option A, dull, is the correct opposite of quick-witted. Although the aged principal is quick-witted, his young assistant is rather dull. Number 8. Sometimes life gets stormy, but with time, things may become dash. Sometimes life gets stormy, but with time, things may become dash. Stormy is underlined. A, clear. B, stable. C, bright. D, fine. Stormy in this context means trouble, unstable, or full of difficulties. Option A, clear, means easy to understand. Option B, stable, means calm, steady, and not likely to change suddenly. Option C, bright, relates to light or being intelligent. Option D, fine, means good or satisfactory. The correct antonym here is option B, stable. It means calm, steady, not likely to change suddenly like the stormy weather. It is the opposite of stormy. Sometimes life gets stormy, but with time, things may become stable. Number 9. The cast consisted of many famous actors and a few dash ones. The cast consisted of many famous actors and a few dash ones. Famous is underlined. A, humble. B, infamous. C, unknown. D, unpopular. Famous that is underlined in this question means well known or widely recognized. Option A, humble, means modest, not proud. Option B, infamous, means well known for something bad. Option C, unknown, means not known. Option D, unpopular, means not liked by many people. Therefore, the correct option is option C, unknown. It means not known, and it is direct opposite of famous. The cast consisted of many famous actors and a few unknown ones. Number 10. Personally, I give in rather easily when it comes to arguments, but Emeka will always dash to his opinions. Personally, I give in rather easily when it comes to arguments, but Emeka will always dash to his opinion. Give in is underlined. A, hold in. B, hold on. C, hold up. D, hold back. Give in means to surrender or yield in an argument. Option A, hold in, means to control or restrain something. Option B, hold on, means to continue firmly and not give up. Option C, hold up, means to delay. And option D, hold back, means to restrain or prevent progress. In this case, option B, hold on, which means to not give up, is the opposite of give in as used in this context. Option B is the correct option. Personally, I give in rather easily when it comes to arguments, but Emeka will always hold on to his opinion. Option B. So we have come to the end of this video, to the end of this part. I want to implore you to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. I always like to read your comments and reply to them. Thank you for being here. Until I come your way again, have a nice one. Goodbye.